In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add gems to armor in Arcane Odyssey. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding gems to armor in Arcane Odyssey is known as jewel socketing. So instead of gems, they refer to them as jewels. Regardless, for you to do jewel socketing, all that you have to do is make sure that you have the crafted jewels and the specific accessories, armors, and leggings that you would like to attach them to. So, common rarity items will have no sockets, uncommon rarity items will have one socket, and rare items have two sockets. And you will be able to apply them to these slots by clicking on the specific jewel that you have in your inventory and then the item that you wish to apply it to, similar to enchantment scrolls. Holding shift while hovering over an item with jewels socketed in it will show the socketed jewels and their effects on that specific item. In exchange for galleons, jewel crafting stations can be used to unsocket all gems in an item to return them to your inventory. So it's as simple as opening your inventory, clicking on the specific jewel, and then clicking on the specific item that you would like to apply them to. And you can use the jewel crafting table to unsocket if needed. You can also upgrade and do the jeweling also from the jewel craft station. And you can repeat this process as many times as you need on rare items or uncommon items. If an item has no sockets, then you will not be able to do this. Keep in mind that the Theurgist set is an exception to this. Each piece of that set will have 3 slots, so you will be able to put 3 gem jewels in each one of these slots. So basically acquire a table and you will be able to do everything from there. By using jewel crafting, you will be able to combine a gem and certain reagents at the table to create the jewel that can be slotted onto gems, armor, and accessories. I hope I was able to help you on how to add gems to armor in Arcane Odyssey. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!